What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clef, and we back at it again with another video today, man. We about to finish this year off strong. We back in full effect for the month of December. Man, it's been a crazy year, but I'm gonna tell y'all about that in a whole different video, man, because it's a long story about what's been going on. But nah, today we gonna be talking about the mid muffler delete, because this is the most popular mod that pretty much all of us in the Challenger and Charger get at the beginning stage of getting a vehicle, but it could come with some ramifications. Yeah, now this 100% just could be an error of the actual shop that I went to. So, and I think that's pretty much what it is, but you just honestly, you just never know. But basically, to sum it all up, and then I'm gonna let y'all hear the sound. I took my car in for an oil change. Tobin Dodge, they did the little inspection on my car because I told them about this weird sound that my car has been making. So after they did the inspection, they pretty much told me like, hey, we found this out. We see that your exhaust is modified. I'm like, yeah, I got a mid muffler delete. They could already tell anyway. And they were like, yeah, we can diagnose your car, but we're gonna have to void your exhaust warranty, which I think is cap. Because, I mean, but hey, if Tobin, if y'all do try to avoid my warranty, just know I'm not coming back to y'all for any business. But that's what the representative told me. But they ended up doing an inspection and said that the exhaust, I believe it's called the exhaust actuator, is loose. I'm going to show y'all the paperwork, but let's go ahead and jump right into it because I want y'all to hear this sound, and I'm going to just let y'all know that this is a possibility. I'm not saying this is going to happen with all mid-muffler deletes, but this is a possibility, and if your dealership is a DICK, they might talk about voiding your exhaust warranty. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Go ahead and drop a comment, and we go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my car up, and you go essentially hear this squeaking sound. So I'm going to see if we can catch it, which I'm pretty sure we will. You can hear it as soon as the car starts up, and then once we start the drive, if we hit a little bump, you can kind of hear this little squeaking and squilling sound. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car up right now, and we go see if we can get this sound captured. So let's get it in, and let's see. Yeah, I fumbled, y'all. That's my bad. Let me close this door real quick. All right, let me hold up. Let me go ahead and lock it. All right, and we go start this again. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this car up real quick, and we go see if we can catch that sound. All right, y'all, so I replayed the video on my end, and you could clearly hear the sound. I'm gonna see if I could replicate that sound. We gonna take the car on road, because pretty much the only time I could hear it is when I first start the car up and when I'm driving and I had the windows down and I'm not listening to the radio. You can hear it when you hit particular bumps. But like I said, the sound, I didn't notice the sound until maybe about 2 months ago. It started off as a slight little squeak, and then it progressively got worse. Now, like I said, when I took it to Tobin, I don't know what's up with the service shop there or whatever. The main guy was pretty cool, but when he took it back to the managers, they was like, yeah, you know, you got a modification on your car, and that's pretty much going to void your exhaust warranty. But in order for us to tell you what it is and blah, 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 but eventually they ended up telling me what it is, and it's the exhaust actuator. I'm going to actually show y'all the paperwork, but yeah, man. Let me know out there before we even progress to the next part if any of y'all have experienced any issues with the mid muffler delete. Not really a problem, but more of a nuisance, because I hate hearing that sound. So go ahead and drop it off in the comments. Let me know if you have any issues with your mid muffler delete and any sounds. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the paperwork so we can wrap this thing up, because I ain't trying to drag this out. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's take a look at the paperwork. So as you can see in clear print, customer reports ticking from wheel wells, squeaking from rear end, consistent, worse over bumps. Suspension, steering, front end concern. Pretty much there was no issue, but you can clearly see right there where it says exhaust actuator, exhaust making noise, exhaust is modified, concern not covered by warranty due to modification. So once again, man, I don't know what's up with Tobin. I don't know if this is the 100% truth or deal. I'm pretty sure I can take it to another dealership and blase. Hold on, let me make sure I cover my paperwork up real quick. But just to show y'all, this was from Tobin. That's where I took my car. But yeah, as you can see, they pretty much said, and they didn't specify exactly which warranty, but the service shop, they told me that it's my exhaust warranty that's been voided due to this modification. All right, so as y'all can see from the paperwork, what Tobin is talking about. But like I said, I'm going to just take that with a grain of salt. I'm pretty sure I can go to any other dealership, you know, and if any warranty work needs to be done with that particular part, which I'm not even going to try to do. I already know it's a mid muffler delete. You know, we cut that thing out. So that's not really my concern at all. And worst case scenario, I could easily just go take it in myself to get it repaired, or if I decide to upgrade the exhaust, I can do that as well, which is kind of up in the air because I still plan on possibly getting the wide body next year. Still debating on that, but yeah, man. So if any of y'all have that same experience or any other experiences with a mid muffler delete, just go ahead and drop it in the comments and let me know what's going on. I wouldn't say that this would necessarily deter me from getting this particular modification again, or if it should even deter y'all away from getting that particular modification. I don't think so. I think you just got to know what comes with the territory with any mods that you do to your car or anything, because nothing is foolproof and anything could happen. Like I said, it's more of an actual nuisance. There's nothing wrong with the actual car or anything like that. I just hate to hear that squeaking sound. So we go take this thing up on the road for a little bit. I'm gonna try to see if we can replicate that sound, so y'all can kind of get a better understanding of the sound that it makes when we actually drive. And it's the same thing. It's annoying when you ride and you kind of hit bumps a little bit. You just kind of hear the little squeaking, but it is what it is. But I just wanted to raise awareness. I don't think I've seen a video like this before, but this is an actual real life issue, as you could clearly you could clearly hear from the car once I started up, and as you can see in the actual paperwork. So we go ahead and take the car on the road real quick. I'm gonna see if I can replicate that sound, just so you guys can kind of have a better understanding instead of that one small clip. And yeah, man, we go take it from there. But yeah, let's go ahead and just jump on this road because I'm ready to drive this thing. I haven't had fun in a minute. I haven't got on the road in a minute. I haven't posted in a minute, my bad, y'all. So yeah, we gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time. All right, y'all, so we on the road now, and you can hear the sound. Let me see, man, I'm trying to replicate it. Let me see if I can replicate. There we go. All right, right there, boom. And you see I'm barely accelerating. I notice mostly it's when I'm accelerating kind of low and if I'm hitting any bumps. And I'm trying to make sure I drive slow too, that way y'all can hear the sound. But yeah, look, you can hear it right here. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick video just to kind of give you guys a better understanding of what I'm experiencing right now. Like I said, if you're experiencing any similar issues or any other issues with the mid muffler delete, make sure you go ahead and you drop that in the comments right now. Also, let me know if your dealership has threatened or have said your warranty is voided because of that particular modification, man. So once again, y'all smash that thumbs up. We go finish this year off strong. I'm pumping out videos every single week for the month of December, and we getting this channel back on track, man. So once again, I appreciate y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all stay blessed, and y'all have a great day.